Welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now today I'm going to be talking about the case, the very unfortunate case coming out of Clarendon, where a young man made the ultimate foolish decision. Not only did an unborn child lose his life, the woman who was carrying said child is gone, and now even the man himself is gone. But before we go into that, let me just touch on this briefly. I see a cartoon in one of my favorite newspaper them. I did an entire video on it, put it on Patreon. But I'm going to just touch on it briefly right so. In the cartoon, you see a little boy make one Father's Day card and he run go carry give mother. And his mother sniff. And she's so moved. Let me tell you something right now. Only can get as upset as you want. Hit the dislike button. Right? Tell me say now come back over here. Good riddance. But understand this before you leave. Before you go through the door, understand this. Your mother, and your father. You see, let me talk to the newspaper first. Or the cartoonist who make a drawing there. You see, if you don't want to celebrate women, where quote unquote do it on them own, create a third day. Create a separate day and call it Hermaphrodite Day. So you can have Mother's Day, Father's Day, and Hermaphrodite Day. And on Hermaphrodite Day, when you can celebrate the woman them who are mother and father. I don't know which biology class gonna go. I don't know which class, which teacher tell them to say. Somebody can be mad. Your mother, and your father. Cut out the nonsense and start put foolishness in the people's ears. Children need both. Your mother, and your father. The fact your mother work and care can bring food on the table does not make her your father. That is ridiculous. And we see it come from a newspaper like that. Yeah, my back still me blue. I was disgusted. Men cannot have one day for themselves. 364 days out of the year we hear about mama and how great mama is, and every song is about mama. Nothing wrong with that. But the one day when the man them time is shine, here comes the woke tips. The ridiculous cartoons. Your mother can't be your father. Go create Hermaphrodite Day and celebrate them people that separate. Yes, we know enough women do it for themselves. Fine. Make a separate day. Father's Day is for men. Get that thing on the head. Disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Speaking about Father's Day, the incident I talk about now happened on Father's Day. A young lady, right, them call her Tash, get into a dispute with her boyfriend. You don't know, words are exchanged. Things were said. And the man decides to say, I'm going to take the woman life. No, you see, community, as usual, tongues are wagging, people are saying all kind of things. But so far it a boiled down to Jackie Pitney. The Pitney we should have carried wasn't his. That not confirmed, because obviously no DNA no do, but that him come to the conclusion, and people that say she even tell him in the middle of the argument. That's what, as me say, tongues are wagging. Regardless of what is the matter, this shouldn't happen. Something just made that clear. She had a previous child with another man, and is that previous child is now going to be all alone. Well, I guess, I don't know, I'm assuming the father is alive. But again, as me just say, your mother, your father. So even if our father is still alive, our father can replace our mother. Especially seeing that the child, right? Well, maybe if you understand to the child, they try to see our mother after should lose our life. When I talk to the man in Jamaica, you see, it's too easy for us to jump up and say, kill him, do this to him. Jamaican men understand this. You see, pride and ego. I make no fauna down a horizon, I make no fauna down a Dovecan. You see the whole jacket thing, the whole bun thing. Me no want a man feel like say me I try downplay. Say them thing there hot and them thing there I go make you feel a certain way. None of that me I say. But you have to understand something, brother. In life, you have to take L's. In life, you have to get embarrassed and people are going to laugh off of you. Understand something, life goes on, brother. Because when I see the video, I'm see how the brother look when the police fall upon him, and the way my ring, the way in body language, that's the body language of somebody who made a snap decision and it was the wrong decision. That was somebody who had low emotional intelligence. What's emotional intelligence? Or you might hear people call it EQ, is the ability to understand, use and manage your own emotions in positive ways to relieve stress, communicate effectively and empathize with others, overcome challenges and diffuse conflict. Jamaica have an LEQ crisis. A LEQ control things like self-management, self-awareness, the ability. If you understand, use and manage your own emotions and feelings, me getting that. Bro, we know them think it must hurt. I cannot relate. Right, I cannot relate. But me can imagine if a man find out say him using a film, it must burn you down to your core. But brother, this is not the answer. This is never the answer. This is why I'm going to spend the video and go over what she do and what she do, because only can't control what people do. You can't control woman. There is no feeling body and the man do what they want. All they can do is control your response. See, then by the time you reach a jail, we say police find him. Things tie around neck and life gone. Now people are getting another juicy story. Oh, I wonder if it's a big conspiracy, because it's me realize Jamaicans love the entertainment and people don't really care, you know. I realize the John public don't really care about the lives of even the unborn youth, the woman, or even the man himself. They just love the Jew. Oh, yeah, this juicy. It must be some kind of high level. Yeah, some top level FBI, CIA level conspiracy going on. I don't know. And they stick there, but man, make it look like so. Even do whatever the case may be. This is tragic, and this is avoidable. This is avoidable. Jamaican men, I understand the culture. I understand the ego. I understand the man in the corner go laugh off of you. I understand the people that go, you see, I understand all of that, brother. But this is not the answer. If you need, if you go pay for one therapist, then do that. Because when you take up money, go buy a Hennessy, when you buy champagne, when you buy clothes, when you buy iPhone, when you buy Samsung Galaxy S21. But if you spend some little money, if you invest in on a mental health, well, all of a sudden you can't do it. Find every excuse. If you need help, go get help. If you need help, go get help. This is madness. This is not the answer. See, in case you're wondering why me make sure I approach it from a calm, relaxed, level-headed point of view. I don't want like me roast nobody. Because I know that there's a whole heap of other man out there like this brother. This is why I talk to you now in a calm state of a relaxed setting because I want it soaking on the head. Man, let me forget help. This is unacceptable. We have to do better as a people. We have to do better as a culture. I don't want to hear about, you then, what you expect, then you should do this, then you hear say the man and woman thing, relationship thing, I go come with disappointments, I go come in hurt. You have to know how to regulate your feelings and your emotions. If you need to go lock up in your room and play souls and ball until you feel better, so be it, bro, life goes on. You know woman when you think say, at the end of the world, if she left you, I can assure you the world now end. When we did younger, you know when you're a young youth and you think say, oh, this girl let me meet now, we're gonna be together forever and ever. Relationship mash up, guess what? Life goes on. Even if it feel like say no, there's nothing more to live for. Me I tell you right now, it's a foolishness that life goes on. The sun will come up tomorrow morning. The sun will be shining whether or not. You see that woman again. Breeze now start blow. The oceans, right? Now go dry up. Ego, pride, scarcity mindset. Acidic culture. Dangerous combination. Man, then get some help, please. Anyways, may I say, everybody stay safe and, we don't talk to my favorite newspaper already. Them probably think, say, for them thing, and them probably think to themselves, who the hell is like a YouTube and think him I talk about? But I know what I talk anyway. Payton Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know. More life. Vulture Squad, stay circling. Bless.